Okay. Okay, what we've got here is two terminals. One of them's exhausted and wore out. It's rusted. I don't even know what kind of metal it's made out of. And we got another one right here that I've just made for very cheap. It doesn't cost anything to make this for me. It might cost you guys a little bit. Okay, today we're making terminals. Everybody that does a solar system has to buy terminals. If you want to buy terminals, that's totally fine and up to you, but they're expensive. So, how can we get around paying for terminals that are expensive? You take a piece of copper that is, this size is 1/2 inch. If you're going to use thicker copper, you can. But I think this is 4-aught wire. This is 1/2 inch copper. You could put maybe 2-aught wire inside of 1/2 inch. It'd be tight. What I'm going to do is just cut it off. You can use a hacksaw to cut it. But since I've got a copper tubing cutter, I'm just going to cut it like this. Now, we got this size piece of copper, but we have a wore out terminal where we're going to put our copper fitting. Let's just cut this off. Okay, so now we cut our wore out terminal off, and we're going to strip it down. But we only need this much cut off. There. We've stripped it off. Now we're just going to insert all the strands of the copper wire inside right here. Let's move all the other tools to the side. We're going to take our hammer. We're going to hit it. Flip it over to where it's upside down and hit it again. We've got this copper tab, and we've got the strands of wire that come out to about right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap almost basically indent with a smaller screwdriver 4 times on one side, and then we'll go in between those and put 2 times on the other side. Now, So, since you got it 4 times on one side, 2 times on the other side, we can basically drill out our hole. Currently we've got 5/16 bolts, so we're going to use a 5/16 drill bit. I like to protect my tools, including my drill bits, so I'm going to lubricate this drill bit with a little bit of oil. So, basically, I'll set this on here, put some weight on it, and drill. Okay. It'll rapidly cut through the copper. Just be careful. Fail. Complete fail. So, I'm going to open it up since I failed. I'm going to reinsert the connector. Well, it fits directly on that battery terminal, and it's exactly the correct size. So now I'm going to crimp it down again with a screwdriver. I'm going to go on the side where the copper strands are not out yet. I'm going to crimp it in. Okay, so I got a connector. If it doesn't fit all the way, just finish threading it through. See if it fits. It does. Then you can connect your belt sander, sand it down. Mine's over here. I'm going to go ahead and sand it down after I trim off the edge. So, trim off one side, trim off the other side. It's not flawless, but it works exactly the way it's supposed to. No problem with this. So I'm going to sand this down real quick. Sand it down to where it's super shiny. I just sand it down to where it's sufficient. Now, I've got 2 terminals on this that I made today in this garage, and it didn't cost me anything. But if I went to Advanced Auto Parts and all the other stores, they cost like $5 for 2. So, let's find out if it's going to fall off. So you really got to hammer deep with your screwdriver. That way it doesn't fall off. And I just saved myself $5. And if you're building a solar system or you maintenance your solar system, you want to go ahead and take this technique with you if you like. If not, you know, tell me what you think you would have done to gotten free terminals. So, like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you guys think of this. If you guys like free terminals and you want me to start making other stuff that's expensive for solar systems that's best made free, let me know what you want to know. I mean, I'm more than happy to be helpful. So just let me know what you guys like, and I'll do what you want. Thank you. This is Philip 20 signing out. Stay solar.